ड्यामको त कुरै छोड्नु ड्यामै छ लास्ट चाहिँ राम्रो लाग्यो मलाई यहाँको ड्याम ओभरफ्लो त पानीको वाटर ओभरफ्लो लास्ट चाहिँ राम्रो देखेको छ त्यो भिडियोमा त्यो देख्छु मैले गोप्रोमा फोटो देखेँ होइन भन्दा पनि दिनै जाने रहेछ यो अब केनामको राइडिङ लाइसेन्स अब चाहिँ हामी फेरि जाँदैछौँ केनामको ट्रेनिङ सिजनको लागि हामी अब आएको छौँ यहाँ केनामको रान्चो कोर्डोभा भन्ने ठाउँमा आएको छौँ हामी क्यानामको ट्रेनिङको लागि हाम्रो कम्पनीबाट स्प्रे मोटर स्पोर्ट Hamid is ready there. He's ready to write something about him. I'm also going to do something. Yeah.
दसजना त्यहाँ बस्न मिल्छ अरे होइन अनि मिस्टेकली अब मिसकम्युनिकेसन भयो दुईजना मिल्दैन भन्दैछ के अरे तर 10जना भन्दा कम भयो भने चाहिँ तल राखेर यहाँ बस्न चाहिँ दिन्छ अनि ह्याङ आउट गर्नु
ठिकै छ ल we're gonna try and I'm gonna see what's here.
हेलमेटले आउँछ
We're gonna भिडियो ल्याएर ल चाबी हानिदिन्छ म बस्न त मिल्छ नि अहिले
thing or what do you?
Yeah. Of course. That's why I'm here.
Okay. What you doing? We're not doing the whole film production. Right?
No, we're not.
Not doing any of it.
No.
Okay. What do you do at East Bay?
I do sales.
Okay. So, well, let's get you signed up. If Elk Grove guy shows up, that's when I think I'm gonna bump you. But I'm also not gonna wait around here all day.
Sure. We got a long drive home, so we're good, man.
You got what?
I said we have a long drive home, so yeah, for
All
sure.
right, let's do it. Let's get you signed up.
Suspension drive.
Maverick X3DS. It's not the XDS. For all the gold in Rancho, Cordova. We're in Prairie. Prairie City? Prairie City.
Alright, the X3 XDS RR comes with one front differential.
That's we can see.
Woohoo!
Very good consolation prices.
Not just because you do.
Yeah, be safe out there. Sell some Canams and stay healthy, guys.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
No, no, South Buzzards. Set right
Let's go. Hey guys, today we're here at OSB Park going to ride some Canam ATVs, and it's fun out there. Let's see. The boat's going there.
Yes. So finally, after 12 hours of drive, look at him.
Yeah.
Look at him, uncle. Look at his dress.
You got a shirt
And
too?
Amit, so how was the day? How was the training day today?
Hey guys, so it was a long day today.
No, uncle.
And we had fun today. Rode a lot of Canams and the X3s, you see in the video the Polaris, the Honda, and it was a test ride, and I got a chance to ride all of them, and it was fun. It was exciting. The coaches were good. They give us a lot of good ideas, good training. I got a new shirt.
Oh wow, that's a cool shirt.
I'm sorry, I got an old shirt.
Just the color is new.
Yeah,
I
the color.
understand that.
And I got a hat from them, so I'm an expert Canam guy now.
Oh, so congratulations, Amit.
Thank you very much.
अमित पुरै धुलामे छ सो आज हामी चाहिँ यहीँको सम्मको लागि गर्ने भन्ने आश गरेको छौँ होइन भिडियो सो प्लिज स्टे ट्युन एन्ड स्टे लाइकिङ अस थ्याङ्क यू भेरी मच फर वाचिङ